1 Chronicles chapter 8, verse 1-40. Now Benjamin begot Bela his firstborn, Ashbel the second, and Ahara the third, Noah the fourth, and Rapha the fifth. And the sons of Bela were, Adar, and Gera, and Abihud, and Abishua, and Naaman, and Ahoah, and Gera, and Shephaphan, and Huram. And these are the sons of Ehud. These are the heads of the fathers of the inhabitants of Geba. And they removed them to Manahath, and Naaman, and Ahiah, and Gera. He removed them, and begot Uzzah, and Ahihud. And Shaharaim begot children in the country of Moab, after he had sent them away. Husham and Bara were his wives. And he begot of Hodesh his wife, Jobab, and Zibiah, and Mesha, and Malcolm, and Juz, and Shekiah, and Mirma. These were his sons, heads of the fathers. And of Husham he begot Abitub, and Elpal. The sons of Elpal, Eber, and Mizham, and Shamed, who built Ono, and Lod, with the towns thereof, Beriah also, and Shema, who were heads of the fathers of the inhabitants of Aijalon, who drove away the inhabitants of Gath, and Ahio, Shashak, and Jerimoth, and Zebadiah, and Arad, and Ader, and Michael, and Ispa, and Joha, the sons of Beriah, and Zebadiah, and Meshullam, and Hezeki, and Heber, Ishmerai also, and Jesliah, and Jobab, the sons of Elpal, and Jachim, and Zichri, and Zabdi, and Elionai, and Zilthai, and Eliel, and Adaiah, and Beriah, and Shimrath, the sons of Shimi, and Ishpan, and Heber, and Eliel, and Abdon, and Zichri, and Hanan, and Hananiah, and Elam, and Antothijah, and Ephadiah, and Penel, the sons of Shashak, and Shamsharai, and Shehariah, and Athaliah, and Jerasiah, and Eliah, and Zichri, the sons of Jeraham. These were heads of the fathers, by their generations, chief men. These dwelt in Jerusalem, and at Gibeon dwelt the father of Gibeon, whose wife's name was Maachah, and his firstborn son Abdon, and Zur, and Kish, and Baal, and Nadab, and Geder, and Ahio, and Zachar, and Mikloth begot Shemiah. And these also dwelt with their brethren in Jerusalem over against them. And they begot Kish, and Kish begot Saul, and Saul begot Jonathan, and Malchishua, and Abinadab, and Eshbal. And the son of Jonathan was Meribbaal, and Meribbaal begot Micah. And the sons of Micah were, Pithon, and Melech, and Teriah, and Ahaz. And Ahaz begot Jehoda, and Jehoda begot Almeth, and Asmaveth, and Zimri. And Zimri begot Moza, and Moza begot Biniah. Rapha was his son, Elisa his son, Azel his son, and Azel had 6 sons, whose names are these, Azrikam, Bacharu, and Ishmael, and Sheariah, and Obadiah, and Hanan. All these were the sons of Azel. And the sons of Eshek his brother were, Ulam his firstborn, Jehush the second, and Eliphalet the third. And the sons of Ulam were mighty men of valor, archers, and had many sons, and sons' sons, 150. All these are of the sons of Benjamin.